This is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. Today I want to show you how to make basic vanilla ice cream using my Pampered Chef ice cream maker. And it only takes 4 ingredients. Heavy whipping cream, whole milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. So beforehand, this has been in the freezer for the last couple of days. You only have to have it in there for 24 hours, but we didn't have time to make some yesterday, so we just left it in, and it is plenty good and ready to be used. So we've got 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. Pour it in here. And 1 cup of whole milk. Half a cup of sugar. And then we're going to get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oops, a little bit more there. Most of these things you see me using are also Pampered Chef tools. Measuring spoon slider thing. These measuring cups over here. This is 2. And the ice cream maker. And then the silicone flexible bowls. These things are amazing. It's pretty cool. So now that all that's in there, I'm going to combine it all, whisk it for about a minute or until the sugar is dissolved. So now that it's all dissolved in there and ready to go, we're going to place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until it reaches about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now we're going to put the lid on there. Just like that. And that is going to go in the fridge. So it's been 30 minutes and our mixture has been in the fridge and cooled down. Take the lid off here carefully. That's what that looks like. So now we got the base out of the freezer. We're going to put the lid on. Little things in the groove there. Okay, so that's on solid. Plug it in. Going to hit the power button. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, so now see how the little blades are moving? Now that the blades or the paddles are moving, we're gonna slowly pour this cream mixture down into the bowl. When the ice cream stops turning, we'll check for doneness. So I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. Okay. So our 20-minute timer went off. We take the lid off. Let's see what it looks like. So it says you can add more time if you want it to be a little firmer, but you can also put the lid on and stick it in the freezer too. I think I'm gonna put it on for 2 more minutes. I don't know if that'll make much of a difference, but we'll try that out. But it's starting to look pretty good. So, actually it looks like you can only do 5 at a time. So we'll do 5 minutes. Okay, it's counting down. 10 seconds left. It's getting real thick. I think we're gonna be done here after this round of 5 minutes. So 25 minutes. We probably could have gone with the 20 minutes and just left it in the freezer for a while, but let's see what it looks like now. Off. Oh yeah, looks nice and thick. that. Okay, so stir it up a little bit. And then it comes with this cool silicone stretch lid. Just gonna stretch that over the top. And it'll go in the freezer. And later when we go and try it, I will show you a video so you can see if it turned out good. Okay guys, we're back and we're going to scoop out the ice cream after it's been in the freezer for a while. Look how nicely that's scooped out. That's awesome. And we're going to do a little taste test with the boys. So a little bit there. Okay, we're good to go. Try it. Yummy? Take a spoon in there. Do it, bud.
Yeah.
Not very much, it'll be too cold.
You try it?
It's gonna fall again.
Oops. Yummy.
Yummy?
Yum, yum.
Oh.
Yummy?
Is it yummy?
Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you liked this video, please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell to get more videos like this, and hit the like button below. Thank you.